Good morning, and thank you for joining me for another How to Draw Stuff with me, Calvin Ennis. Okay, this morning I'm going to show you how to draw a Great Dane character. So we've got another dog. Here we go. The dog characters we've been doing have been pretty popular, so let's keep going with these. We've got a circle there. This is kind of for the main sort of part of the head. Now we're going to draw a little line on here just so we can do the centre line of the face so we know which way this dog's looking. And then we need to draw the snout, the sort of nose area. So for this, we're going to draw a bit of a box on there and just bring this up again. This gives us most of the sort of shape of the head that we need. Now we're gonna go with nice big thick heavy neck, big strong neck there, and we're going to draw a big circle in here. And this is for your it's for your dog's body. It's for kind of the chest. Now back here we also need a smaller circle, and that is for the back side of your bum, of your dog. It's your dog's bum. Okay, so we're going to have the tail from there. Back is going to sweep up there. This big strong chest falls all the way down, and from round about here we're going to draw our front leg. And let's just put on a nice simple little paw for now. Now back here, hidden behind, I'm going to draw another little paw. Keep that nice and simple. Now this gives us the sweep for our dog's belly, just up here. And right about here is our dog's back thigh. Okay, so we're going to draw that leg in. You notice how this is spreading outwards ever so slightly. It's not straight down, it's going outwards just to give your dog a little bit of kind of strength at the back there. These are kind of quite big dogs, so needs a bit of space needs a bit of strength there to kind of support its weight. Let's just bring the foot in there. You notice how the leg bends back ever so slightly. We have a tail down there, nice little pointy tail. And then that gives us kind of the basic structure for our character. Now up here we're going to have an ear, we're going to have another ear here. Now with these ears you can see a little bit more of this one, so you can see it's a slightly different shape. This one is curving ever so slightly away the other direction. Now this top bit of this kind of rectangle tells us where the nose is going to go. So for the nose we're going to just sketch in nice and easy. Just like that. And then this down here is where our mouth comes up. So there you go, you've got kind of a curved little V shape. And this gives you this nice little shape here for our kind of dog's jowls. Now let's give it a bit of a grumpy looking mouth under there. And let's just bring in that jawline. So a nice strong jawline. Now for the eyes, let's go for one there and one there. So we want these eyes kind of quite far apart really. There we go. And then just going to tweak the shape there, the side of the head. And that's kind of it to begin with, okay? So this kind of gives us everything that we need to put our character together. Let's just give him a little bit more of a shoulder there. Okay, and now we can go through and kind of add in these sort of details and kind of shade stuff in a little bit more. So here we go, we've got the nose on first of all. Let's get our eyes up here. Now we're going to go for some nice big wide open eyes, kind of friendly. Let's get that grumpy mouth in there. Again, you've got the side of the head here. Now these dogs are not particularly kind of fluffy, so we're going to keep most of this nice and smooth. Got this big strong chest in there. Again, let's just go around that shoulder, keep our paws in there. Now we're going to keep the paws really simple on this one. Here we go, 2 little lines down. That's fine on the paws for this. Let's just sweep the belly in. So the belly is obviously much thinner than the chest area. Let's just go around these bits that we want to keep in. Again, in the detail, see our paws as you go in. A leg at the back, round the back, and then there's your tail. Now up here, let's just quickly get in these ears. So this front ear comes slightly this side of the line. So this back one, you want to see the top of the head, and the ear is hidden back there, so it doesn't overlap. This front one, you're having it overlapping ever so slightly, and that just creates a little bit of depth to your character. Sort of sets that ear back a little bit. And let's just add in a couple of little areas of shading. Just where those legs overlap, and the side of the belly there. These back legs, I want to get a little bit of shading on those, so sort of hidden underneath the belly of your dog. Inside the ears, a little bit there, and a little bit on the tail as well. Then again, we'll just settle down this character so it's not floating there mid-air. Put a couple of bits of grass on there. Sketch in a bit of a burn for him there. And there you go. You have got your Great Dane character. You start off with a few very simple shapes, and then the key with this guy is to make him sort of like quite big and strong, sort of really bulky sort of dog. You don't want him too sort of meek and weak. And there you go. So have fun drawing this one. As ever, I'd love to see what you guys come up with, and I will see you all next time.